Hi, I'm Laura Bomey, and I will be your instructor this summer term for Business 206 Management Fundamentals. This is our first week together, and I want to guide you through what you will see in our Canvas course and give you a brief overview of what to expect for the term. When you first log into Canvas, you will land on the main page here, and each week you will see the to-do list of items that show up. And in our first week, I will walk through what you can expect, but you can see the links over here in Canvas, the announcements each week. You should have received a week one and a pre-term announcement. And you will go into the modules and you will see the first week check-in process. This is an introduction discussion post, so you tell me about yourself and you complete that. Please note you need to complete it by June 30th at 5 p.m. so that you maintain your registration in the class. And then there's some other information, the course syllabus. Please make sure and look at that. It gives you an overview each week that we will be together. And then you will also see in our week one the activities that you have for yourself. And you'll see as we get into the term, each week will have a very similar pattern. You'll have an overview of the materials, then you'll have some learning materials, you'll have a concept quiz, you'll have an application activity, and then you might have one other homework assignment like a discussion or what's called a critical thinking activity. The end product of this term is essentially something that I'm calling your leadership and management philosophy. You will be developing that over the course of this term and have a variety of critical thinking assignments that will help you prepare for that. But for this first week, I'm going to go into the week one overview so you can get a feel for what to expect. So week one, the topic is managing and performing. You've got some chapter work here, and we do have an online textbook. You can find it under the modules and also a link in the syllabus. There is no cost to the textbook. It is completely online, but you'll be doing chapter one, managing and performing. You'll see each week the learning objectives and then a list of what you need to do. As I mentioned, the first week check-in process is a discussion board that you need to have done, an introduction of yourself by Friday, June 30th at 5 p.m. And then you have in each of these lists here what you need to do. So you can either click through them or just hit the next button and we'll walk through them together. And in week one, you have some learning materials. You'll see there's a PDF here if you like to download the weekly chapter, or there's an online link, and then there's a PowerPoint. I would recommend you take a look at least at the PowerPoint each week, and then here are some other resources for you that will inform the work that you're doing. And then you can click next to get to the next items. Here's your quiz. You will get 3 times to take the quiz to get your best score. Then you will have an application activity. And this week, I mentioned in the announcement that you want to get started on this early. You do have an extra day to get items done. Typically, our week will go from Monday of each week to the following Tuesday at midnight. And I will usually send out the announcement on Sundays, so you have time. You might even have time on Sundays to get started. So you should have plenty of time each week, essentially like 7 or 8 days to get things done. But during this very first week, you're going to be kind of tracking how you spend your time. So please make sure you read this early and follow the information that needs to be submitted. And you'll see there's a rubric here for this. And then what you'll see is each week there will be a wrap up about what we did. So just to quickly summarize, when you go to the home link, you will land on our main page. You will see all the to-dos and the dates. If you want to go into the syllabus, you can click here. It will show all the assignments that are coming due. You can also go into the modules and you will see the syllabus and you'll see a link to the textbook and then all of the items that are coming due this week. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can contact me. My contact information is in the syllabus and also right here under Meet Your Instructor. I look forward to having you in the class and I wish you the very best. Thank you.